Stay tuned for tips and techniques from the nation's top chefs in the Chef's Kitchen.
Joining us in the kitchen today is Chef Dave Banks. What are we making today?
Got a bunch of tacos on the menu, good bar food.
Yeah.
These are Bang Bang shrimp. Flour.
And this is buttermilk?
And that is buttermilk, yeah. And then we're gonna go right back to the flour.
Nice little coating there.
Yeah.
Is this on your bar menu?
It is. Yeah, the bar's got a great menu. We serve all the way to midnight, sweet soy. Stir it. Curry.
And you guys have a happy hour?
Ready taco? We do. We have two happy hours actually. I have a happy hour at 5 to 7 as a normal happy hour, and then I have a happy hour at 8:30 to close, which is what I call decompression drafts.
Love that.
And snacks. Yeah, that's pretty cool. So Bang Bang shrimp, tortillas,
Nice little slaw
a
on
little
the
bit of your
bottom.
greens, yeah, and then those nice spicy shrimp. And I work a little bit of that key lime crema right on it.
Okay, these look awesome.
No glamour, just taco.
All right, yeah, this is not going to be glamorous. So.
Like it? Isn't that delicious? Come in and have a beer, maybe something else.
That's exactly what I want to eat. Coming back to get these at Banks Seafood Kitchen and Raw Bar for happy hour.